Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at ticker symbol ACIA. That's Acacia Communications Incorporated. The chart we're looking at here today is a 30-minute chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 30 minutes of trading. We go back to the start of this uptrend, but as you can see, this action was quite choppy indeed. Acacia has had some difficult times, especially breaking the $120 mark. $120 mark being this yellow segmented line here. It's not an area of resistance specifically. The area of resistance is $120.50, but anywhere above 120 it does have difficulty with, and then the resistance level is 120.50. You can see here we broke above 120 and fell back down, broke above 120, fell back down, broke above 120, fell back down, 120 fell back down, 120 fell back down, and 120 fell back down. Now, you might be a little confused about what I said. Well, it breaks above 120 and then it gets denied slightly above 120, and the area where it's most commonly denied is 120 and 50 cents. That's why 120 itself is not resistance, although we do say that it has difficulty breaking 120. The actual area of most resistance is $120.50, just for the sake of clarification. Now, our strong support is at $118.47. You see we've been holding support there very nicely the last couple of days, rather all day today, since it's a 30-minute chart. And though we've dipped down below today, we did manage to break back above. Now, the next area of support is 115, 150. Yesterday and today, both a very strong area of support, breaking, or rather holding above there here, and then once again here, holding above. And then 3 days ago, also a strong area of support. We broke above there, bounced off, and then made a new area of resistance up there, which is the 118.47 line that we are currently trading above. As we know in technical analysis, resistance can become support, and support can become resistance, and vice versa. Now, if that does break, we're looking at 113.37 as our next area of support. That's where the next battle could occur, and we've had some very strong support there at 113.37, breaking down below that here, but so bullish that we didn't even come down to the next area of support, which is 104.39. Rather, we made some higher lows and then worked our way back up. Now, Acacia is definitely choppy. You know, it's all it's all zigzaggy rather. Lots of zigzaggy action going on here. It can't really make up its mind on what it wants to do. It does seem to keep trying to break to 120 and above. And if it does do that, our breakout level, we can see up here on the very top of the screen, $124.30. If we can break above $124.30, that's where we can see a breakout occur, and we can see this thing make some massive gains, something like 10% in a day or something like that, which would be a very good amount for this stock. Now, $104.39, let me just mention that this is extremely powerful support, and though we haven't come down and tested it the last week or two, in the past, 104.39 has been so significant that we've broken above it multiple times and held above it for quite a long time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like I said, about a week and a half, we actually did break above 104.39 again. And we haven't even come down and tested it anytime soon. Now let's take a look at our moving averages. We have the purple, green, and yellow lines. Purple 13, green 20, and yellow 50 period moving averages. In the bullish order we are now, and you can see when we were trending down here yesterday, we had the green above the purple, so everything is set up for this thing to continue trying to push above 120, and that's what we're going to be looking for as we move into next week on Monday. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please subscribe if you're not already, and definitely stay tuned for next week's, next week's action, I guess we could say. Hopefully it's a good week for us all, and let's make some money.